This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to RATANIT. My name is Ratan. Guys, we are discussing core Java assignments, right? Yeah. So in this chapter, flow control statements, we are discussing third assignments. Take the username and password from the end user. Very simple assignment, Amma. Take the username and password from end user. Guys, these two assignments which are already completed, you try to check the previous videos. And this one is what? Take the username and password from end user. Just you can take the username and just you can take the username from end user, enter the password, just check some condition, some username that equals of Ratan and password that equals of Anu. Just to give the message is what a login success. Otherwise, just you can give the message is what a login failure, right? It's clear. Huh? So maybe some guys like they feel they know very simple assignment. You try to write the code, amma. When you write the code, then look at the habitude of the coding. Okay, that's what, amma. Just you can pause the video. I understood the requirement, right? Take the username and password from end user, check the condition, print the message login success or failure. Just pause the video and try to write the assignment. After completion of your assignment, check your answer and my answer. Check both are matched or not. You got the point, right? Yes. Uh, yeah. Just let me write this answer for this. Just to do the practicals, let me open Edit Plus. In Edit Plus, I'm writing the code here. So in Edit Plus, go to the File menu, click on New, Java, right? Select the Java language. Click on Test Class, guys. I want to take the Test Class. Good. Guys, what is this assignment is saying? Take the name and the username and password from end user. Yes, to take the input from end user, the last two videos also explained that to take the data from end user equal to class scanner class. Scanner is equal to what a new scanner of. Then take the system dot what a input, right? In reference what a input. Scanner is equal new scanner of what a system dot input, right? Exactly. Because I want to take the username. To take the username, the system dot out dot println of. So system dot out dot println of, give the information to the end user. A end user, enter username. Enter what? Enter username, right? Exactly. If one of the student is asking that, sir, here dots are mandatory. Okay, dots are not mandatory. Just for understanding purpose, just I'm making enter username dot 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 like that. Dot dot is not a syntax, I written the code within the double quotes, right? There's a string message. That's it. Guess enter username means by seeing this message, he will enter some username, right? You need to get that message, ma. To get that message from the console, guys, where you entered in the console, right? From that console to read the integer data, something like in next int method we have to use. Not integer data, right? Enter your username is what? String data. To read the string data, simply can go for next method. Simply we have to use what? Next method, right? Exactly. Then stringer, then you can store the variable username, right? Exactly. Guys, try to take the meaningful name, mama. Don't take the X, Y, Z. Yes, in the real time, always the name should be meaningful. Even if you are taking the addition of two numbers, can you please take the num1, num2, SOP of num1 plus num2, number 1 plus number 2, right? Exactly. Guys, enter username means he will enter some username that is a string format. To get the string format, scan at that water next method, right? Exactly. Because after that, see the system dot water. Tell me here, system dot what? System dot out dot println of something like enter password. Enter password, right? Yes, exactly. Enter password, amma. Password also he'll enter some data. Can you please get that password? To get the password, scanner that next method. Get scanner that what? Next method, right? The string, then you can take the password variable, right? Exactly. Because you took the two values from end user. You took the two values from end user and we are storing into the username variable and password variable, right? Exactly. Because after getting the details from end user, just you can check the if else condition number. That's it. Because if username dot equals of, tell me here, username dot equals of what? Definitely Ratan. Because it should satisfy the both username password or anyone. If both username password means you need to go for the AND operator. Anyone should be satisfied means you need to go for OR operation, right? Guys, both should be satisfied means what? And operation. Anyone should be satisfied means what? Or operation, right? Exactly. Because username dot equals of Ratan and just you can write the password, password dot equals of what? Password dot equals of what? Anu. Password dot equals of anu, right? Exactly. So the system dot out dot print enough, something like you can print the message login successful, right? Guys, login what? Successful. At the point, right? Login successful. Just we can print the username if you want. Okay, login successful Ratan. That's it. Yes, else block you can take. Tell me here. Else block. I want to give the message login fail, right? Login fail. Try with valid data. So try with valid credentials or valid data, right? Exactly. That's his information. That's all. Yeah, just you are taking the scanner class, to take the input from end user, take the username stored into some variable, take the password, scanner that next method to read that password, stored into which variable, password variable. If username dot equals of Ratan and password dot equals of Anu, then login successful, otherwise login failure, right? Exactly. Guys, I opened the scanner class now. Can you please close the scanner object? One thing. And scanner class belongs to which package? Util package. Import java dot util dot what scanner class. Only specific class I can include, right? Import java dot util dot what a scanner class. Okay, sorry, clear, right? Yeah, try to write the code so that you get the clarity. But don't do copy paste of this code. Don't do the copy paste. See the example what I am doing. You try to write your own. Then you'll get some confidence. Right? Most of the students, they already have the assignment like this. By seeing this, they are typing. Right? What is the use of you are seeing this and typing the assignment, right? Tell me, what is the use of seeing that assignment, typing the assignment? You see the template. Okay, this is the way. Take the username, take the password, check the username dot equals method and password dot equals of login successful, login failure. See the template. Guys, see the template and try to write the code, right? Sorry, clear? Good. Can we save this code in local disk D? Let me save. A saving process anywhere if you want, just you can save it. It's not a problem. Okay, just open the command prompt. Let me save like local disk D, right? Exactly. Guys, move to the file location. Then we need to check Java. So the application is what? Test.java, right? Test code is compiled fine. Java class is what? Test class. Enter the username. I enter Ratan. Password is what? Anu. Login successful Ratan, right? Exactly. Enter the username. Username is Ratan. Password is what? Something wrong password. Login fail. Try with validate, right? Try with the values. Yes, there is something like this. Yes, you got the point, right? That's fine. Not a problem. Guys, for example, sir, enter username. I enter like 100. Guys, enter username is 100. If you run this code, okay, enter the password is what? 200. Then what happened, guys? Login fail, right? Because even string you can hold this 100 and 200, right? Which format? String format, right? It's not a problem. Login fail, right? Yes, yes or no? That is a point, Amma. Just taking the username and password from end user, taking the username password from end user, just taking that username dot equals of Ratan and password dot equals of Anu, login successful, otherwise login failure, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, that's all, Amma. That's all about the assignment. Guys, do the practicals properly, Amma. Do the practicals. Write the assignment notes. I think you are preparing notes for the all assignments, right? Be practical knowledge here. Always be practical. Writing the theory, explain the theory. What is the use? Tell me. You're not going to write any exam in the academic, right? You're going to do the real time project using Java language. To do the real time project, you should be hands on, right? Practical knowledge is important, guys. Hmm? Good. Guys, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, and please inform to your friends. Just you can share this video so that they'll prepare some assignments. Otherwise, you prepare the assignments. At least your friends will watch will your notes. At least they'll get the clarity. Oh, this kind of coding we have to write in the Java, right? Yes or no? Good. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Next assignment we will see. Bye.